I'm gonna show you how to find your SID and authentication token and your phone number on Twilio. So to get started, you have to open your Twilio browser, and then from there you just have to click on login, and then from there you just have to log in your credentials, your email, and then you just to continue, and then your password, and then once you're in, you just have to click on continue, and then from there you just have to wait, and then you will be redirected to the home page. And then once you're in the home page, you will see all the details right there. So you just have to click on account dashboard, and then once you click on account dashboard, all you have to do is just scroll down, and then from there you will see your authentication token, your account SSID, and your phone number. All you have to do is just copy all the necessary token, or the copy your text if you wanted to send it or to share it to someone, or you need to copy it. So that's it. That's how to find your Twilio SID authentication token and your phone number.